Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn off power at the breaker and at the outdoor units disconnect to prevent shock. This is non-negotiable. Wear gloves and eye protection and use a 1/4-inch nut driver to open panels. Gather a fin comb, soft bristle brush, a garden hose on low pressure, and a bucket with 1 quart of water plus 2 tablespoons mild detergent. Plan about 30 minutes to inspect, 15 minutes to remove large debris, and then 30 minutes for detailed coil and fin. Work with care and patience. Start by removing leaves, twigs, grass clippings, and nests by hand. Clear a 3-foot perimeter for airflow. Use a soft bristle brush to dislodge surface dirt from fins, brushing parallel to fin lines to avoid bending. Set the hose to low pressure and rinse coils from the inside out to push debris away. Never use a pressure washer on fins. For stubborn grime, apply the 1-quart mixture of water and 2 tablespoons mild detergent. Let sit 5 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly until water runs clear. After coils are clean and dry, use a fin comb matched to the fin spacing to straighten any bent fins, moving gently from top to bottom to restore even airflow. Inspect refrigerant and electrical lines. Replace any torn insulation and tighten connections using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Reattach panels securely and clear debris from the base. Restore power at the breaker, run the unit, and observe airflow and temperature change. Most improvements show within 30 minutes, and record maintenance date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.